Okay, Mrs. Harper, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I basically want to leave with the children. And, he makes a lot of money. Our business makes a lot of money. But when I leave, I'm not going to have that. So I need to keep the lifestyle that my children and I have had. They go to private school, and we have a nanny. And so I need to continue that so that their lives aren't disturbed. And we live in a house, $500,000, and I need to maintain something similar so that it's not a big adjustment for any of us.
Okay, let me ask you a couple of questions. Private school, do you all pay tuition for that?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. How much is it? If you were to break it down monthly, because I know tuition sometimes isn't a monthly thing.
It's about $1,800 a month.
The video is about maintaining your lifestyle after you get divorced, right? And for a lot of people, I think that that's really important, but I think it also really truly depends on the family's finances, right? So in this kind of divorce court case, it's not enough time really to figure out if your financial resources can accommodate what this particular woman is requesting. So there's only like a handful of questions, right, about her needing to get a house that's comparable and a mortgage, and she didn't know how much that is, or the private school cost, and she doesn't know what that is. And this is why if you have like high assets and big goals, you need a lawyer. You don't want to go necessarily to divorce court and try to get that resolved in 10 minutes or less, because that might be a 4 or 5 day trial that can help you and your kids moving forward, right? So that might be a 2 or 3 day custody trial, including support, including alimony. It could be a 2 or 3 day trial on asset. It's a lot there. And for this particular woman's situation, I don't know if she's going to be able to meet her goals in the handful of minutes that this type of hearing allows you. So it's important to kind of know your situation. If you've got real goals and you've got a lot of ground to traverse, you really need to get a lawyer and go to regular court.